So this is something interesting that we come across as a landscaper every now and again, not very often. In the past, we've dug up old wells, we've dug up old bottle dumps, we've dug up all sorts. No Viking hoards or anything interesting, like as interesting as that and as profitable as that. But this time we've dug up a field box drain, which will be like 200, 300, perhaps even 400 years old. And of course, back in those days, there were no houses here, no nothing. And the farmer would have had to, or the landowner, will have had to have drained the land somehow. So of course, these days, we've got perforated drain pipe, we surround it in a 20mm clean limestone to give it its drawing power. But in those days, they'd stone up the sides, they'd put a flat piece of stone on the top, which is, as you can see here, that's your flat bit at the top, and these are your stone sides there. Now, as you can see, it goes back a hell of a long way. Now, one thing that we do use, which is very, very simple, are divining rods. Now, they can be coat hangers, they can be something like these, or you can even buy professional ones, which my dad's got. However, they do work for picking drains up. So if you just balance them in your hands, you don't grip them tightly at all, but you can see where it runs across. Now, if we just watch carefully, and can you see there, if we just close in on it, Adam, and then we walk back, and we'll just do that again, and you can see the cross. Now, what we have picked up when we've been excavating down here, again, is this is part of the old box culvert system, which I think has filled in a little bit round here. It's been disturbed because you've got the sides here, but there's no top. But what we have found is the old clay pipe, which is there. So we've dug a couple of them up. So we are actually thinking that this may have been diverted in the past. So we'll see if we can pick that up with the rods as well. Now, if we walk in this way, do you want to come a little bit closer to me, Adam? We'll just see if we can pick it up with the rods. And as you can see, that picks it up an absolute treat. Let's just go again. As you can see, it's there. So we think that that's been diverted. So we're going to now... So what we are going to do now is we are going to get some perforated drain pipe, some field drain pipe, and we're going to run it into the pipe there that we've just discussed. Because as we said before, this is the old box culvert, lacking the top, but what we think's happened is it's been diverted at a later date. These must be 100, 150 years old at least. So they've been diverted that way. So we're going to connect our pipe from the box culvert to there, and somehow that's going to take it back down there. Like I say, bit of interest. Always good as a landscaper's tool to have your divining rods, and that'll pick up drains, pipes, anything. So just a little tip for you there as well.